Hey Gravel Gang, it's been a while. Anyway, I've been trying to edit this video and ride bikes obviously. We're gonna talk about Tour Le Grand du Nord. It's a race based out in Grand Marais, Minnesota. It's right off Lake Superior. You know, you ride up about a mile and it starts right there at the YMCA. Starts with a nice, as you can see here on the app, starts with a nice uphill. The first 6-7ish miles, all gradual uphill, and then you get, that's the first climb is the pavement, and then you turn right, you hit your first gravel, which is about probably 20%. Wake up call for any of you in Iowa that's flat. Iowa's not flat, but it's flat. But yeah, other than that, once you get to the top, it's all rollers. The checkpoints are right down. You go down a hill, probably about half a mile into the checkpoint. You have to climb out of that same checkpoint. Other than that, this is, I mean, one of the most beautiful gravel races I've ever been at. The scenery, the trees, the gravel was fast. There was a nice B-road section that was pretty chunky, but definitely manageable. There were guys that were doing on fat bikes, single speed fat bikes for that matter. I would say there's 3 really big climbs. Otherwise, after that, it's small sailings, rollers mainly. So if you've been training all winter, this is a ride to really, you gotta hit that ride. Otherwise, with that, we'll get into the video. Leaving a diner, heading on north to Grand Marais. I think we have about a 4-hour drive. Shouldn't be too bad. So we're at the Thompson Hill Travel Information Center, right over there. This place is mind-blowing. We're at the top of a hill, getting this amazing view of the inlets of Lake Superior. Obviously, the camera can't do it justice, but it is just unbelievable. It's one of those places you have to come to see for yourself, honestly. And Kim already made it. There's Quigley over there. He's hanging out. Hey Quigley.
Perfect. Keep coming straight back. A little bit more.
So we made it. It was a beautiful drive up here, man. I don't know if you could see it, but the lake is right over there. That's our site. The water and electrics is right behind there. There's sewer, and then Matt and Kim, like right across from us here. You know, Kara too, hanging out. Quigley's over there, hanging out too. We're heading to go pick up our pockets for the race tomorrow, so that should be interesting. 10 miles uphill. Did I say that already? Yeah, 10 miles uphill. Should be intense. I love these low lakeside towns. They're pretty nice.
You want coffee maple or salted maple?
Coffee maple sounds good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Baroque, Wisconsin is where we're from. So
Yeah, I'll take one. I'm always looking for
Yeah,
something.
hey, thanks.
It's cool. We got some free samples. We're gonna try that stuff out. Yeah.
I'm at the YMCA.
Eight. Okay. All right. We'll have to do that. Awesome.
I guess the only thing we haven't.
Got Kim. And we good to go. I signed up for the 26 miler. So I can have plenty of time to drink my beer. You know.
hey, you gotta stay focused.
That's true. That's true. Quigs has been in the water chilling.
I got 2 drink coupons.
Yeah, they gave us two.
Yeah, you can have it tonight. You can use it tonight.
So there's the bike. Quick walk around. It's ready to go. 4 bottles tomorrow. We'll do a checkpoint, but it's clean, man. It's you gotta have the power saddle specialized. That's the S-Walk version. Taking the aero bar off this time. GoPro mount, of course, you gotta have that. 4 bottles, 2 up here. Yeah, not too shabby. Good morning, Gravel Gang. All right, well, it's breakfast time. It's 7. Time is 6:39. We started at 8:15 for the 110 miler, and then I think we're gonna be starting in Webs, and then the 58 miler starts at 9:15, I believe. So getting the breakfast down, waffles, and then I'll get dressed, and then we'll start to head out. So this is the ride to the start from our campground, which was right on Lake Superior. Beautiful view. From here we ride about a mile and a half along the lake to the start, which this year was the local YMCA. So we're here at the start. We're about to roll out 8:15. It's a really good turnout. What we got going on? That's pocket pickup over there.
Good morning again.
Race director.
110, wave 1 will be
Getting the bags dropped off. Right here.
I just can't hear very well.
It's gonna be go time. Yeah.
Have a good ride.
Everybody's ready to go, so gonna get back to my bag. Time to rock and roll. We're about ready to start. If you look
Again,
right over the hill,
your computer's right here.
that's
Stay far right as you head out of town on 5th Street and County Road 7 until your first turn.
okay. All right, I think we simple instructions. Carol, you ready to go?
I'm ready to
You
go.
gonna pull me mile 80?
Up until mile 85, and then you're on your own.
Then I gotta go. Then I gotta
Then
go.
you gotta go.
That's right. I'm gonna kick it up just a minute. So this part right here, this is the first real climb of the day. Prior to this, we had like 6.7 miles of uphill, gradual uphill, and then we turned right. This our first gravel section, and we hit I think it was 14 to 20% grade for an Iowa guy. That's a lot right off the bat. But you know, I think it was maybe 3/4 of a mile. But yeah, it was quite a climb. In my books, this was the best section of the day. Flat, maybe 1%, super fast gravel. It felt like tarmac. I mean, it was blazing fast. Obviously, people were passing us, but we were moving too. It was really good. It was a really good section. We made up a lot of time here. I think this was my best part of the course. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going? Yeah, boy. Checkpoint number 1. 192?
Oh, that's who you were.
Oh, sweet. This is coming into the first checkpoint. It's a nice downhill and it was a nice uphill out here. I was already gassed. Second century of the season. My legs were already gassed. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I was ready for the sag. This was a really fun section, double truck. You could see this guy who's up front here on a fat bike, single speed. He was out here grinding it. He was killing it. Tough guy. I know I wouldn't have been able to do it, but a really fun section. Man, you're a bad dude with a single speed, man. I enjoy it. Wow.
Never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining. All these simple faces. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid. We're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish.
good, man? All right. Okay. So we turn left and your boy is like, are you kidding me? Another hill. It's probably like 14%, maybe less than a mile, but after like 80 miles, your legs are trashed. I think this was actually 37 miles to go, was the next checkpoint coming up after this hill. Thank you, thank you. 192. Hey. Oh yeah, I remember now. How's it going? So this is the same uphill we climbed up at the beginning of the race. We're gonna turn left, and to our right will be Lake Superior. If you could see over those hills, beautiful. It was gorgeous. It was a nice downhill all the way to the finish line, as you'll see. That's right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh man. Thank you, thank you. What a finish. Look at that view. I don't think I've ever been to any other race that looked that beautiful at the end of it. And the cheers at the end was nice, icing on the cake. Time to find my drop bag. There you are. It was epic. But we survived. Hey, how's it going? Hi.
Congratulations
Thank you,
on
thank
your
you.
race. You did wonderful.
I tried. It was pretty intense.
You did great.
Thank you, thank you. That's the finish line there. Everybody's hanging out, drinking beer. But I'm gonna go to the camp and hang out. I'm done.